Got the gaiters on. I'm going in. In this video, we're gonna be blowing snow with the Bobcat T76 and snowblower attachment. Stick around if you wanna see a bunch of snow get moved in the mountains of Colorado. Oh, the Bobcat S76, I was wrong. Yes, sir, he's back in action.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
You're going on the YouTube video.
All right. Well, welcome to, feels like spring right now.
Feels like spring. Want to introduce yourself?
Josiah Hetland, project manager, Josh's brother. You've probably seen that guy on the other videos.
What are we doing?
We are pushing snowbanks back to clean up some roof slides on both sides of the house so it doesn't slide down, break into the window.
Sweet.
For the contractor's request.
He's a rock star. Glad to have you back.
Good to be back.
All right. All right, as Josiah said, we're gonna be pushing snowbanks back today. Just pulled up here. We got the drone already. So Josh, Josiah's brother, is gonna be running the drone today. I brought my gaiters. I'm gonna be jumping in snowbanks, trying to get some cool shots of snow being thrown. So stick around. We hope you enjoy these types of videos. If you do, I gotta say this because it's a YouTube channel, but if you do enjoy this type of content, would you mind to just like and subscribe? It sure helps us out. We love what we do here. Gonna get the operator skid steer with a big snow blower and watch some snow get thrown far and far away. Oh, yes, sir. Wouldn't be a normal morning if something like that didn't happen,
Yes,
right?
yes. I hooked these up last night so this wouldn't happen. Thinking that if I ran some fluid through there, it'd all be locked together, but now this one keeps popping off every time I turn the hydraulics on.
You think it's because it has a bob in front of the cat?
Could be. See that? Won't lock in there.
I'm gonna keep knocking them until they sponsor the channel.
There's no ice. There's no foreseen issue here. Just cold.
Oh yeah, there it went, right?
You'd think. We'll see. With cat, that would for sure be locked. So we'll see.
We're gonna have to change our colors to black and yellow if we keep talking like this. All right, you wanna give us a quick overview of how this thing works? Or do you even know yet?
Yeah, I've ran this one for a day. Well, for 4 hours yesterday.
Nice, so you're an expert?
Yep, yeah.
All right. Hit us with the controls here.
Basic. I run the ISO pattern, same as Josh. Just basic stuff for this, for running the snowblower. You're not forcing anything because it's a snowblower, not a bucket. You're not ramming into anything. One thing I always do, you'll see today, when I start the snowblower, I start it at half throttle or less.
Okay.
And then once it's locked in and engaged, then I go up to full throttle, run at full throttle.
Okay.
Same with shutting it off. I'll go down to half throttle or less to shut it off.
And what does that do? Like just
Less stress on the hydraulics.
okay.
You're not asking for it to go from 0 to full speed. You're asking it to go from 0 to half speed or quarter speed. So just trying to treat it nice, hoping that the equipment treats me the same.
Sweet.
So far, I've been treating it nice. Keeps kicking off. So I'm gonna shut the door, start this thing up. We'll try it again.
Sweet.
So I'm not trying to clean up the road with this thing. I was just trying to do something on the way up here. Snowblower's not really made to clean up like hard pack and this ice. So maybe it'll go better when we are done with the project and leaving and this has had time to thaw out. But otherwise, we threw the bucket on the truck. So I'll connect to the bucket and clean this up at the end. But what I'll do now is just turn around, blow all this snow back so they can access their porta potty for construction. And then you'll see the next step of this project is just where the roof has slid right behind us, and the same thing on the other side of the house.
Oh yeah.
And so we'll have some good footage
Big
just
pile.
getting around the garage. But Josh said to be careful turning this thing too sharp on the chains.
Okay.
You can see how aggressive these chains are. It's not just a normal set of truck chains. This thing's actually got like these extra lugs all the way around. So if I were to just turn like you can in the summertime, just a 360 turn, you could rip the tire right off the rim with these chains. They're no joke. So you'll see me take a lot of 3-point turns today just to avoid any chain issues.
Sweet. What'd you say?
Sounds a little crunchy this morning, but T-Post sound that way.
What you'll do for some good video shots.
All right.
On. I'm going in. All right, we're gonna get some shots here. right, at this point in the video, I want to take a quick second and mention our media services, Bear Claw Media. We offer content creation for contractors, anybody who operates heavy equipment. We love to work with. I grew up operating skid steer and mini X for my dad's construction company, and I also really enjoy the creative process of creating these videos. And so I wanted to have a process to where I could easily upload content to a shared iCloud album and then have a team take it from there. So over the last 2.5 years, we've built a team out of South Africa who does all the editing. And I have a business partner in that, Josh Joseph. And so shout out to Josh if you're watching this, and his team. They've done an incredible job working with us to sort of get the vision in place. So if you're a contractor, you offer services and you want to do a better job of being more active on social media so that more people can find out about you, then check out Bear Claw Media. It's a link right here, gobearclawmedia.com. So he's got all this blown, and we're essentially going to do all of that all the way around the house. Josh, you got the drone. All right, I hope y'all are enjoying this video. Josiah is in the skid steer with the snowblower. Josh is on the drone getting some footage. I wanted to take a quick minute and give a shout out to Jobber. Jobber is a software management system that we use to run our business. It helps us with invoicing, quoting, creating jobs, managing a schedule. And right now you can get 20% off if you use this link right here. And you can also get a 2-week free trial. If you have considered using a software to manage your business, look no further than Jobber, as it makes jobs like this super easy. Josh, you're doing our thumbnail today. You know how the thumbnails go, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's let him grab a huge load. It's not a big enough load. Okay, here you go. You got it? Is all of this going?
I don't think so. I think they're just gonna let it melt.
So after this, what else? That front piece?
Just gonna clean up, put the blower.
All right, so got the GoPro off the top there. Once again, Josiah Hetland in the skid steer. Josh was the one here pulling the snow away from the house. So with this metal roof, the snow is just sliding right off, which is nice that you don't get a bunch of snow buildup on the top of the roof, but you end up with piles as tall as that, like y'all saw here in the video. But yeah, we were able to get the skid steer in, able to get all this cleaned up. He's gonna run Buzz over this and make it look really nice before we leave. But I know that some of y'all have requested finished products, so we're here on this whole time, on the whole project. So he's gonna get this out of here. But yeah, that is the finished product of using a Bobcat S76. Sorry, I was saying T76. My machines are tracked. This is a rental. It's wheeled and it's got chains. Makes it nicer for working in the snow. That's for sure. If that was tracks right there, you'd just be stuck spinning. So we got all that big pile out of there as well. That's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks again for watching the Bear Claw YouTube channel. We've got Josiah once again in the skid steer. Finishing out the grade here on the driveway. This is on one of our residential plow accounts, and we had Josh here helping with the shovel. Josh and Josiah are brothers, two guys from Minnesota, incredibly hard workers, great people, great work ethic. I love working around them because they challenge me to be better every single day. They challenge each other to be better every single day, and our goal is to deliver 5-star service. And to do that, you have to be at the top of your game. So there's nothing like working with a team of people who are committed to being the best at whatever they do. And I'm just very thankful for these two on the Bear Claw team. And I'm thankful that I get to work with them on a day-to-day basis. And they really are truly special people. Incredible equipment operators, incredible people. Josiah handles all our sales and project management, but today he was in the skid steer so we could get some footage. Anyways, if you like this type of content, once again, my name is Austin. We're with Bear Claw Land Services. We do forestry, excavation in the summer, and then snow plowing in the wintertime. Our goal is really simple. We're here to deliver 5-star service at whatever service we offer. And if you live in Grand, Summit, or Eagle counties, feel free to reach out for an estimate for any of those services above. You can visit bearclawlandservices.com. You can click the orange button at the top right-hand side of the screen. Fill out that form. We'll get an automation where your information will be texted to our phones, emailed to us, and we like delivering great service. So our goal is to call you really fast after you fill out that form online and get to know you as a person, get to know your project goals, and deliver 5-star service. So viewers, if you like this type of content, if you don't mind, we'd sure appreciate a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, work hard, do your best, never settle for less. We'll see y'all in the next video.